This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Thymus gland. The thymus is located behind the sternum, between lungs. It weighs about 10 to 15 grams at birth and grow until puberty. When it begins the atrophy after puberty, its maximum weight is at puberty, which is 30 to 40 gram, and by middle age it returns to the weight approximately of its birth weight, that is 10 to 15 grams. Thymus gland produces thymosin, thymic humoral factor, thymic factor, and thymopoietin. These hormones promote the maturation of T cells, a type of white blood cell that destroy microbes and foreign substances, and they may retard aging process.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.